Well, today I brought a different person along. Say hi, Lucy. Dying for some coffee right now. You guys hike, or do you guys drink your coffee before you go hiking? I don't think it's a good idea for me. I like to get the big cup of coffee, like the 24 ouncer at least. I drink a lot of coffee, probably too much. But it's a beautiful morning. I think it's like 54 degrees out, slightly overcast. Everything's out. Saw 2 deer on my way in. Oh, there's a bunny. It's gorgeous out, a little quiet. It's tough waking up this morning. Woke up super early and then was slow to get going. Oh, look at this little opening here. That's pretty nice. Hey, leave her alone, Luce. So, normally I'd be driving on my way out, but I decided to run with a pack today. Pretty cool pack. Got my backpack on Amazon, rigged it up with the WRV. I think it should be a pretty good trip today. That truck's a little heavy. Not really meant for trail running, but it is super capable. I've been itching to get a new truck. But don't really want to spend the dough on it right now. So what I think I might do is I might change up the suspension on that truck big time and go with a kind of one of those forward leaned shock mounts instead of the cantilever shock mount. Cantilever was nice. It was cool to engineer it, but not really a good performer. It wants to unload the springs a lot going downhill. The thing just wants to roll over every time. Or if I'm going too steep, it'll unload the suspension and the tires will suck in and it'll want to flip over too. So not the best. Looks cool. If I'm flat crawling, thing's unstoppable. It'll go over anything. But once I get any kind of a pitch or an angle, it makes it really tough. But look at this. Beautiful cutaways out here. One of these days those trees are going to come down in a big rain. Hopefully I'm not here when that happens. Apparently where we're going used to be an old mine. Second time I've been out here. Or an old quarry. I'm sorry, not an old mine. I'll have to do some research so next time I can talk about it a little bit more. Really cool stuff out here. What are your guys' thoughts on graffiti on stuff like this? As an artist personally, I think it's awesome. I kind of feel like maybe, there's a place for graffiti, but maybe it shouldn't always, I don't know. It's kind of one of those things where I appreciate it. I think it looks awesome. Come on, Luce. But it's a tough call. Is it defacing stuff sometimes? Is it just making something more unique? I think so. But definitely very cool in its place. Well, I don't think you can see how steep that is. We're walking up a mountainside or hillside. Pretty dang steep. Not gonna lie. Legs are tired already. I don't know if you can hear that, but found some moving water. It's gorgeous. Man, it's pretty. A little steep of a drop down there. Probably shouldn't get too close. Look at that. Says we've only climbed 100 feet. I think it has to catch up to us because I don't believe that one bit. Hold on, Luce. Lucy's ready to go. Let's go a little further this way, Luce, and then let's go back to our crawl spot. Ooh, look at all this mud. Be fun for the wind to go. Except for burning up the battery on the hill. Lucy, which way do you want to go? Huh? Get down. Do you want to go that way? Or do you want to go that way? Go on. Let's go. Okay, okay. All right, that way it is. Good choice, Lucy. Oh, I hope I got that. What a treat. Nice little Bob Ross picture here. Going back to the rocks now. Man, it smells great through here. So what do you guys think of the commentary stuff? Not really big on seeing myself on camera or listening to myself, but might be more interesting than just 15-20 minutes of RC crawling. To each his own. But maybe we'll have some questions, that way I can get some comments on YouTube, maybe get some more subscribers. That'd be cool. Alright, we're coming up to our little quarry area. So just getting set up here. So what I do is I take any of the scale stuff kind of out of the rig. I haven't done this much, so I just didn't want it to fall off while I was riding, or while I was walking. But these batteries right here, super awesome. I'm doing a review on those pretty soon. Need more of these though. If I want to take this rig out for a long one, I need probably 4 of these to keep me going. It's a heavy rig, geared pretty low, but that battery does awesome. Definitely a Ovonic power for show. Now they're missing.
No way. First scratch on the GoPro.